Hello everyone, welcome to Bean's Kitchen. Today's episode, we will cook homemade XO sauce. We always have a bottle of XO sauce in our fridge. Adding a little bit of XO sauce to any dish, it can turn very simple noodles into a delicacy in the world. It can also make the ordinary dim sum the mouth-watering yummy food. That's the magical power of XO sauce. I got this recipe from a few chefs and adjusted to the best taste I like. Today, I show you my specially adjusted very yummy recipe. In fact, XO sauce is literally so easy to make. Just need to follow this recipe when you make it. It won't fail you, I guarantee it. But you will have to take some time to prepare the ingredients ahead of time. Without further ado, let's do it now. Here are the ingredients. There's also a detailed list of ingredients below this video. I soaked these dry scallops in a mix of multi-wine and Shaoxing wine overnight. They are soft now and easy to shred. I like to shred by hand because I like to have a chunky texture. You can cut them or use blender, but don't make it too fine or too powdery. It can be very easy to be burnt if it's too powdery. For the dry shrimps, they were soaked in water overnight. I also steam cooked them for 20 minutes in low heat to salt them up. I will have them in 3 different sizes. I chop half of them into pretty small chunks like the dry scallops. 1/4 of the amount, I will cut them in half so they are bigger chunks. And the last 1/4 of the amount are very small shrimps. These little guys, I keep them in whole. Very cute, right? I cut them this way, then the sauce is going to have a mysteriously amazing texture. For the shallots and Chinese ham, I also chop them into pretty much the same size like this. I'm going to use a wok to cook it because it will help the moisture of the ingredients to evaporate. Medium heat, put oil in, wait until the oil heat up. Put garlic in and add shallots. Turn to medium-low heat to simmer it. When they turn golden, scoop them up, because if I keep them in, they will get burned quickly. Now I put in the other ingredients. Shrimp first, scallops. Here goes the Chinese ham. At this point, if you want to add more oil, you can do that. Turn to low heat to simmer it for about 5 minutes. Maintain the temperature in the wok for no more than 260 degrees Fahrenheit. You can taste the shrimp right now and make sure it is not too dried up. A little bit of moist and soft is perfect for me. Now you can add the rest seasonings. Put the dry seasoning ingredient first. Chicken essence, black pepper powder, cumin, salt, rock candy, chili powder. Mix well. At this point, turn off the heat. At last, here goes the soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking wine. It's done. My house is now full of savory scallop shrimp flavor. That makes me so hungry. Look at the XO sauce. Very juicy, glossy, and tempting. You can store them in a jar and keep it in the fridge for 2 months. I always find it's gone quicker than that, so don't worry about it. My recipe tends to be a little bit more sweet than chili hot. After you try this recipe, you can adjust it to your taste. Hope you enjoy your own XO sauce pretty soon, and share with me in the comments below. Last but not least, if you liked my recipe today, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share with others. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so you won't miss my future recipes. Thank you and have a wonderful day.